Hey guys, how's it going? How to manage multiple sites on Bluehost. So first of all, you need to log in with your account on Bluehost, and you need to select your plan, and you have to buy that plan that suits you the best, right? And after you created your website and everything using WordPress, of course, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead. Let me just go back. Right, you're gonna go ahead to the hosting tab at the top of the left side. If you don't know where, you can let me show you. You're gonna see the hosting button right here, and the last option at the left side bar. And basically after you click the hosting and look for the quick links, and then title, and then select the cPanel. Next, what you're gonna do is scroll down to the domains, right, and click the domains icon, and then click manage right here to manage your multiple sites, right, or domains. And then if you want to update the update the domain, enter the path to the folder that you would like to that domain to point to, and then click update button to point that domain to the specified folder. And once complete, you should see the new path reflected. And if you want to manage existing one, just like we said before, under your sites, you're gonna see right here your domains. If you want to change or create email, or if you want to manage your domains, you can just go ahead and click manage or create an email, and then switch between sites, to manage between them. But this is the easiest option to manage your multiple domains on Bluehost from this panel. Okay, so basically that's it, right? You can customize, backup, and update them individually from the manage the site, right? Manage the site domain. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.